thanks for joining me on my Market Report. My name is Mike, and my Market Report is on mortgage rates. We get into discussing what's the impact of mortgage rates on a daily basis, and sometimes the impact comes from the economic calendar or headline news, or geopolitical, or a combination. Also, sometimes the market sentiment changes and it gets a little confusing as to why good news is now bad news and vice versa. So we try to give those explanations so that way, if you're following along, maybe looking to refinance a purchase, it gives you the information you need to decide whether uh, to lock or float, or if you just want to kind of hang in there, or perhaps you're just in the industry and just want to know what the market is doing. Hopefully, these videos provide you what you're looking for. In the meantime, I am a loan officer. A little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender. We do loans in all 50 states. So if you guys got anything we can help you out with, whether if it's purchase or refinance or even more than that, we'd love to be able to help you out with those. But even more than that, we'd like to be a resource for you folks. So please feel free to reach out. We are here to try to assist you in any capacity as possible. So without further ado, we'll jump right into it. We'll start off with the economic calendar. We primarily just got the one item here, or I mean, some categories of two items, but is the market PMI. They have the manufacturing, and they also have the services section on there. This is Purchasing Managers Index. So anything above 50 is considered expansion. Anything below is contraction. So on the this is all for the month of April. So on the manufacturing, back in the previous report came out 58.8. Forecast was supposed to dip a little bit to 58.2, and it increased in April 59.7, which is obviously good news. We like to see expansion here. And then we got the services. This one from 58 in the again in March. Forecast was supposed to be remain unchanged at 58, and actually this one dipped, so 54.7. So manufacturing increased, but however services according to market manufacturing or market PMI decreased here. Uh, Investors, stock market's down. Investors kind of taking a look at what we've been kind of hearing of late from the Fed. They are expecting a half a point increase at the new FOMC meeting, and they are expecting, of course, the Fed to start on their talk about the unwinding of the balance sheet. Now, there's been talks of because of the conversations yesterday with Jerome Powell, and we had Daly. And earlier in the week, we had a few other people speak. Uh, Now, the chances of a higher rate increase for the month of June has increased to 94%. So they think there could be a 75 basis point hike in June's meeting. So just be prepared for that. So the market's kind of, again, that's what's kind of paving the way for the markets, what's kind of dictating the hawkish talk or hawkish tone what we're hearing from the Fed here. Now, we are still getting Q1 earnings reports. For the most part, they are coming out mixed. So we'll have to kind of wait and see how that all translate to economy-wise. But for the most part, they're coming in a bit mixed here. Now, as for mortgage-backed securities and mortgage rates, we are down for the day. We're down about 16 basis points. Um, so that translates enough. That's enough there to change pricing to a little bit worse. So the volatility today, as you can see here, we had a little bit of spike here right around just after 8 o'clock, right around 8ish, 7:30, 8 o'clock, and then it dropped down a bit. So we did have a little bit of a spike in a positive note. However, we did pull back considerably since then as well. So again, rates so far aren't looking the best heading into the weekend. And then you got treasuries. We're up to about 2.91. We've been kind of this sideways range, even though there's been some pretty fairly big swings there. Um, but for the most part, we've been kind of in a sideways range here. All right, so we'll keep it kind of short and sweet for you folks. Since it is Friday, hopefully you guys can get moving on with your weekend. But last but not least, we'll touch on the average rate for conforming loan limits. These do have points built into them. So let's start with the 30-year fix, which is up to 5.38% right now. And then we got the 15-year is at 4.79%. So if you guys got questions about anything, or if you guys would like a rate quote or anything, we're here to help out. We can be more than happy to oblige. So again, please reach out if you guys got any questions. If you guys like these videos, please help us out and smash that like button and share. We greatly appreciate it. Subscribe. You guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. We'll look forward to see you guys on Monday. Take care. Bye bye.